get it.
Okay, Bluey.
I'm gonna use this letter. I wanted to fly up in there. I can fly from here though. You supposed to flew back in there, bro. Yeah, I gonna get it.
Bluey, Green Guard.
He look like he's ready to come on out.
Green Guard was telling them you need to stop doing that foolishness.
Green Guard want to come out. They want to fly.
Green Guard can fly comfortably. That's Bluey with the extra clipped wing.
They want to play. And Shadow for licking his mouth out for no reason like that, bro. So, what are you doing? Look at Courtney. Look at Courtney.
Shadow. Shadow just like the foolishness that goes on around here. I was comfortable without these animals. Shadow, I can see the side of them. Oh man, Shadow. Oh, he yawning though. Maybe he ain't looking.
The birds, so you gonna have to get out of there.
Shadow said he was here first.
Look, Green Guard laughing them jokes. He's like, man, I could be out here. I believe I can fly. But he ain't
Oh, and Debbie.
flapping wings. Fly. You want to fly so bad. Let's fly. Come on out. When they bobbing their head like that, that means that's good. They happy. They happy. They having fun, playing. You ain't know that, did you? Told you stay with me, I'll teach you some more stuff. Do you like learning from me?
Yeah.
Shadow, do you like learning from me?
Shadow's just kind of uninterested in this foolishness. Like, ugh.
I love to learn from you.
Shadow. Hi, Shadow. I know. Larry got too much going on, man. Just.
Right now, you like, tell me what's going on in there. What's happening in the kitchen?